Hello friends, day 128 and I started on Painswick Beacon today, had breakfast up there just looking at that gorgeous view, and then came down into Painswick and skirted round Stroud on the Cotswold Way, and I'm still loving the Cotswold Way. It's great, really nice views, and it's so well marked. It is the best marked path I've been on. I did a short interview this morning on BBC Radio Gloucestershire, and they're doing a slightly longer one on Monday, so that's good. This evening I've met up with Nigel again, and we're going to the Black Horse Inn for apparently an authentic Indian meal. So lovely. Let's have a look at where I've been, and I will see you on the trail. This is the spot that Nigel's found me for my room with a view tonight. I haven't put the tent up yet in case there's any officious church wardens around again, but it's going to go right there.